Hey everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. I am so excited to show you the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. I just received this over the weekend. I am so thankful to Urban Decay for sending me this in PR because I've been seeing photos of it and a few videos, and I have been dying to dig into this palette, which I already have. As you can see, I created this look using the Urban Decay Honey, and boy, am I excited to talk about this. If you are new to my channel, this is how I do my palette reviews. First, I will swatch all of the shadows, and then I will do a makeup look using that palette, and then at the end, I will come back and give you my thoughts on the palette. So let's get started. Here's the box that Urban Decay sent me. As you can see, the latest edition of the Urban Decay Naked palettes is inspired by its namesake, Honey. So you will see shades of light yellow golds to deeper browns. I love the imagery of honey dripping on this palette. The PR package came with the Naked Honey palette and the original Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It remains one of the most popular primers on the market, and it helps provide smoother application, prevents creasing, and gives off more vibrant colors to the eye. Here is the packaging the palette comes in. You can see golden honey ripples featured on the box. Here is the palette itself. You can again see the thick golden ripples on the top of the palette. It is raised, as are the letters. The top flips open all the way so it can lie flat on your table. As with the other Naked palettes, Honey Naked comes with a dual-ended brush. One end is flat, tapered, and fluffy, great for blending. The other is smaller, flat, and short, with stiff bristles. This is Flyby. It is a pale beige with a satin sheen. This is Sweet. It is a light peachy orange with warmer undertones and a matte finish. This is Swarm. It is a light orangey beige with warm yellowish undertones and a matte finish. This is Amber. It is a rich gold with warm undertones and a metallic finish. This is Keeper. It is a brighter light medium brown with warm gold undertones and a matte finish. This is Golden. It is a bright medium gold with warm orangey undertones and a metallic finish. This is Honey. It is a bright gold with yellow undertones and a metallic finish. This is Queen. It is a medium brown with warmer, slightly olive undertones with flecks of gold and bronze. This is Hive. It is a medium brown with warm golden undertones and a matte finish. This is Drip. It is a light medium brown with soft warm undertones and a matte finish. This is HBIC, which in this palette I'm assuming means Head Be in Charge. It is a medium copper with moderate warm undertones and a metallic finish. This is Sting. It is a dark brown with subtle warm undertones and a matte finish. Naked Honey will be released at UrbanDecay.com, Sephora.com, and in-store at Urban Decay and Sephora on September 13th. It will be released at Macy's.com, Nordstrom.com, and Belk.com on September 23rd. It will be available in-store at Ulta, Macy's, Nordstrom, and Belk on September 26th. Naked Honey retails for $49. The Naked Honey Vault, which includes the Honey Eyeshadow Primer Potion, a honey-scented sparkling body powder, a honey lip plumper, and a honey-scented all-nighter makeup setting spray, will retail for $115. The Honey Pot Holiday Gift Set will include a 6-shadow mini version of the Naked Honey palette, the Honey Primer Potion, the honey-scented setting spray, and a 24/7 Glide-On eye pencil in amber, and will retail for $59. To create my Naked Honey makeup look, I'm going to start by applying Urban Decay's Primer Potion on my lids. I'm going to pick up Flyby and apply it to my brow bone. Then I'm going to pick up Swarm and apply it over my crease in windshield wiper motions from the outer corner of the eyes towards the inner corner. Then I'm going to pick up Hive and apply it across my crease in the same way. I'm also going to start pulling the shadow out to create a cat eye shape with my shadows. Now I'm going to pick up Drip and concentrate it at the outer corner of the eye in a V shape and then blend it towards the middle. Then I'm going to pick up Sting and apply it in small V strokes in the outer corner to smoke out this eye look. Now I'm going to apply Amber to the outer third of my eyelid. I'm going back in with Sting to make sure I'm keeping the outer corners of my eyes dark and smoky. Now I'm going to wet my brush using Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray and pick up the shadow Golden. I'm going to apply that to the center of my lids all the way to the inner corners of the eye. Now I'm going to wet a pencil brush with the setting spray and apply Honey to the inner corners of the eye as a highlight. Now I'm going to use my color switch to take that shadow off and pick up Golden. I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply Queen to the outer third of my lower lash line. Finally, I'm going to pick up Sting again and apply it in small concentrated V strokes at the outer corners of the eye, connecting the lower lash line to the upper. Now I'm going to apply primer to my face before putting on foundation with a beauty blender. Then I'm going to apply concealer. I'm going to retouch my bottom lash line to blend and smoke out my shadows. Now I'm going to apply Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Hustle on the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to apply Perversion to my upper lash line. Now I'm going to apply Urban Decay Subversion Lash Primer to my lashes. Then I'm going to apply Urban Decay's Perversion Waterproof Mascara to my upper and lower lashes. And finally, I'm going to apply Urban Decay's 24/7 Waterproof Liquid Liner in Perversion. I'm going to use Urban Decay's Brow Blade for my brows. I really love it because you can shape your brows with the pencil end and then draw individual hairs with the liquid liner end. I'm going to warm up my face with bronzer. Now I'm going to apply a cream blush that will give my cheeks some color but won't distract or clash with my eyes. I'm going to use Urban Decay's Mother of Dragons highlight palette from the Game of Thrones collection and use Viserion to highlight my face. Since I'm going for more of a fall look today, I'm going to use Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Nighthawk. Then I'm going to apply Urban Decay's 1993 lipstick. Now I'm going to top it off with Urban Decay's Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in Gold Mine. And lastly, I'm going to set my makeup with Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. And here is my final Urban Decay Naked Honey look. And once again, here is my final look using the Urban Decay Naked palette. I love this palette. I love this palette. I knew I was gonna love it because it's Urban Decay. Urban Decay never disappoints. Their palettes are amazing. Their shadows are pigmented and they stay and they last, and they are just a dream to blend, and again, they did not disappoint. All of these shadows are incredible, high quality. They blend very easily. They are pigmented on their own, but of course you can intensify them by using a setting spray to wet your brush, and you get really incredible pigmentation, as you can see from my tutorial and my eye look. I am so happy with this. I love gold because to me it's a universal shade. If you are olive skinned, it looks beautiful on you. If you have deeper skin, it looks beautiful on you. If you have fair skin, it looks beautiful on you, and everything in between, it will look beautiful on you. I love that you get so many beautiful golden shades in this palette, because no matter what, you can find something that can deepen the look for you. You can find something that really brightens up your eye. Everyone can find a shade here that they can work with to create beautiful eye looks. Again, whether you have really deep skin tone or lighter or somewhere in between or somewhere around, this palette you will love. What I also love about these shades is that you can wear this all year round. Gold will look great in the summer and the spring, and it'll look great in the fall. This look right here is a little bit more of a fall look with the darker lip here. It's my personal opinion that once kids start school, it is fall. So that is why I went with this darker lip look to make it a fall look, but obviously you could go a little bit lighter and brighter with the lip for warm weather looks. Or just whatever your preference is. I just am in love with this look. I am so happy with this palette. I can't wait to do more looks with this, to really play around with it some more. Let me know if you want me to do another look with this, if you want me to do like a work look, a school look, a daytime look, or something else. As always, use that comment section below to make any requests, ask any questions, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. If you know anyone who's interested in this palette, and I'm sure that you do because hello, it's amazing and gorgeous, please share this video with them and like this video. It really helps me out on YouTube. And of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make new videos every single week. And if you're new here, I make videos about beauty, fashion, DIY projects, home decor, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.